So can someone start reading it, please? What is the first word? What is the first word?
Bear witness.
What is ear witness?
Bear witness. Witness who testifies about something that he heard but did not see.
The witness who testifies about something. Testifies माने giving the what giving telling what he has heard. Testify माने you are being witness, giving the what you can say testimony about something that he had heard but did not see. Okay, it's called as ear witness. So this was the first
Bear
word,
witness.
ear witness. What is second word?
Easement.
Easement. What is easement?
Right, which an owner of land has over land of another person. For example, right of life, right of way, etc.
So what is easement? It is governed by it is it is governed by it is governed by Indian Easement Act 1882. एटीन एटी टू सो ये कौन सा कानून के अंदर आता?
Indian Easement Act 1882.
इंडियन ईसमेंट एक्ट 1882. तो क्या है ईसमेंट का मतलब क्या है? राइट विच एन ओनर ऑफ ए लैंड हैज ओवर द लैंड ऑफ अनदर पर्सन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट ऑफ लाइट, राइट ऑफ वे एटसेट्रा. ठीक है. द लिमिटेशन पीरियड. अब देखिए यू आर सेइंग दैट A is having the right over the property of B. Understood? A is having the right over the property of B, but how
Yes.
much time he should enjoy it so that it can be it can be the easement. The limitation period of easement as per the law is 20 years. So कितने साल तक you should be able to if you want to enjoy the easement right, how much years you should use it?
20 years.
अगर 20 साल तक he is using, if for 20 years if he using that right to light, right of way for continuously 20 years without any objection, then it becomes an easement right. So it is
Yes, sir.
defined under
Indian Easement Act 1882.
और इसका डेफिनेशन किधर है? Easement is defined under section 4 of the Indian
Indian
Easement Act 1882. ठीक है. तो कौन से सेक्शन में है ये?
Under section 4 of the Indian Easement Act 1882.
Easement is defined under section 4 of the Indian Easement Act 1882.
1882.
The limitation period of easement is how much?
20 years.
20 years. ठीक है. It is governed by
Indian Easement Act.
It is governed by Indian Easement Act 1882. Easement is
Act.
defined under Section 4 of the Indian Easement Act 1882. The limitation period of Easement Act is 20 years.
20 years.
ठीक है, clear a point? This will come
Yes,
in
sir.
your exam. So what is easement? Right with an owner of the land over the another person is known as easement. ठीक है, clear a point?
Yes, sir.
Are you noting down this? Please note it down.
Yes, sir.
It's very, very important. Any doubts here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Next. What is 3? Please read the third one.
Ejectment.
Ejectment. What is ejectment?
Illegal action by which a person wrongfully ejected from property seeks to recover positions and damages.
Ejected mane you are forcefully making that person to go out of his own property wrongfully. It is called as ejectment. It is a legal action. It is a legal action by which a person
Legal.
wrongfully ejected from the property seeks to recover possession and damages. Like in it is when you are subjected to some legal injury, then it is a
Ejectment.
when you are subjected to legal injury, you will get damages by law itself. Okay? For as in the form of compensation. Okay? Next.
Yes, sir. Election.
What is election?
The process of selecting a person to occupy position of officer.
Or officer.
Officer. Office.
It is a constitutional law concept. Okay? This is very, very important. I am making some more points here. In India, elections are the responsibilities of
Election Commissioner.
elections are conducted by
Election Commissioner.
election commission.
Commission.
Election commission.
Commission.
ठीक है. It is given under what article? (324) of Constitution of India.
Constitution.
कौन से आर्टिकल में है इलेक्शन कमीशन?
Article 324 of Constitution of India.
election elections in India, election commission currently is headed by chief election commissioner along with 2 election commissioners.
Commissioner.
2 election commissioner.
Commissioner.
करंट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर कौन है? करंट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर कौन है? Who is the current chief election commissioner?
ज्ञानेश्वर कुमार।
Gyaneshwar Kumar. This we discussed in the classes. Chief election commissioner is Gyaneshwar Kumar.
Kumar.
So it is a. So what is election? Elections in process is selecting a person to the position or office. Elections to parliament, that is president, vice president, that is president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha along with the vice president is conducted by election commissioner. Election commission. Why? Election commission.
Commission.
ठीक है. And elections to parliament, that is president, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha along with the president, and elections to state assemblies. Election to state assemblies for MLAs. अगर मैं पार्लियामेंट बताया तो क्या है? किसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं? MPs. Election to parliament, that is MPs, that is president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha along with the president, and elections to assembly, that is MLAs, are conducted by election commission. ठीक है, याद रखो ये. प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा along with vice president and election to state assemblies are conducted by election commission of India. Of India. ठीक है, याद रखिए. Election Commission of India. It is governed by कौन से आर्टिकल में है?
324 of Constitution of India.
Election Commission is currently headed by
Election Commission.
Election Commissioner along with 2 election commissioners. ये chief है. Current chief election commissioner is whom?
Gyaneshwar Kumar.
Gyaneshwar Kumar. Elections to state assemblies are conducted by Election Commission of India. ठीक है, एक सेकंड रुको. तो ठीक है, करंट चीफ इलेक्शन में ज्ञानेश्वर कुमार. इलेक्शंस टू प्रेसिडेंट, ये प्रेसिडेंट, पार्लियामेंट, प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट is conducted, and to state assemblies are conducted by which body?
Election Commission of India.
Election Commission of India. And please remember this, election to panchayats, election to panchayats, are conducted by state
सरकारी
election commissioners. State election commissions.
कमीशन
इलेक्शन तो पंचायत किसका, पंचायत को कलेक्शन करने की जिम्मेदारी किसकी है?
स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन
स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन।
कमीशन
ठीक है, स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन इन इंडिया। समझ में आ रहा? So these are the questions which will be which come into your exam, right? An MP of Lok Sabha is elected for how many years?
Five
5
years.
years.
Is elected for 5 years. An MP for Rajya Sabha is elected for
6 years.
an MP for Lok Sabha is elected for 5 years, whereas an MP for Rajya Sabha is elected for
6 years.
for 6 years. याद रखिए, ठीक है। So these are the very very important points. लोकसभा का नाम क्या है, ऑफिशियल नेम? What is the name of Lok Sabha? What is the Rajya Sabha original name? What is the Rajya Sabha original name? Hello.
काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट
Council of States.
स्टेट
So याद रखिए, it is a permanent body. So what are the concept? What is election?
the process of selecting a person to occupy position of office
Office. कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट है ये?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ कॉन्सेप्ट
कौन इलेक्शंस कौन कंडक्ट कराता है इंडिया में?
इलेक्शन कमीशन
कौन से आर्टिकल के तहत?
आर्टिकल 324
सो इलेक्शन कमीशन में कितने लोग रहते हैं? एक चीफ इलेक्शन में कमिश्नर रहता और along with 2 इलेक्शन
अदर
commission. It is
Commissioner.
also it is called as multi-member body. Called as multi-member body.
बॉडी
ठीक है. Then you have who is the chief election commissioner?
ज्ञानेश्वर कुमार
लोकसभा इलेक्शन कमीशन की जिम्मेदारी कौन सी है? प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड स्टेट असेंबलीज. पंचायत पंचायत इलेक्शन कौन कराते?
स्टेट
स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन इन
State
इंडिया. लोकसभा का टेन्योर कितना है?
5 years का है
राज्यसभा
लोकसभा
का
सर लोकसभा टेन्यूर
कितना? 5 साल के लिए
5 years
बनते. और राज्यसभा का?
अच्छा
राज्यसभा
6 years
राज्यसभा का एमपी कितने साल के लिए इलेक्ट होता?
6 years
6 years. Remember this. This will come in your exam. Now, what is the next word?
एक सेकंड
सर स्टेट के जरूरी नहीं है सर, इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, जैसा कि असेंबली का और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल का.
असेंबली का करा रहे ना स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन. इलेक्शन कमीशन कराता ना.
नहीं सर, उसको मतलब असेंबली को क्या बोलते हैं सर?
स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली.
ओरिजिन बस वही चाहिए सर.
वही
ओके.
स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव assembly.
assembly.
Okay.
So shall I
What
continue next?
someone other can read it? Mohammad Zaki, Kavya,
Yes, sir.
Neha, Azhar, Zoya, Myra, Khadija, Shahzain, Aqifa. सब जने हैं, प्लीज रीड. एक एक बारी बारी पढ़ो so that you will remember.
Yes, sir.
जब तक आप खुद से देखिए, अनलेस आप एलएलबी बन भी जाते, बट अगर बोलने का पावर नहीं है आपके पास, आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, sir.
टुडे आई वाज इन कोर्ट.
Yes,
एलबी
sir.
नगर कोर्ट में था मैं. इवन आई यूज्ड
Yes,
टू
sir.
वेरी शाई. जब तक आप बोले नहीं, जब तक काम नहीं होता. याद रखिए, इट इज वेरी क्लियर. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन अ टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज. जब तक बोले नहीं, आपको नहीं आता. आई वॉन्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन टू रीड ईच वन. Otherwise, I will call your name and ask you to read. Now, who is the next?
Yes, sir. Shall I start?
Yes.
Email. A communication exchanged between people by computer through internet.
Through internet. Who invented email? What is email? It is
Electronic mail.
electronic mail. Who invented it? कौन इन्वेंट करा इधर? Ray Tomlinson. Invented by Ray Tomlinson. So it is an electronic mail invented by Ray Tomlinson. कौन से साल में? In 1971. याद है?
70. Yes, sir.
In 1971.
What?
So this will be asked in your GK. So what is an email? It is a communication exchange between people by computer through internet. Its full form is electronic mail. It is invented by whom?
Ray Tomlinson.
Ray Tomlinson.
The year 1971.
I gave you a homework. I wanted you to know. I wanted you to make who are the inventors of the top tech companies, CEOs, or the inventors. How many of you have done it? So, next word. What is the next word?
Next one is emancipation, act by which one who was under another's power and control is freed.
So, emancipation माने act by which one who was under another's power and control is freed. मतलब emancipation माने freedom मिल गया. If I ask you, when did India got emancipation?
1949.
1947.
India got
1947.
emancipation from whom?
1947.
From whom?
British.
From British.
British.
On
British. 14th August.
1947.
7.
Emancipation माने freedom. It means freedom. ठीक है. Independence. What is the next word?
Embezzlement.
Embezzlement.
Offense committed. Embezzlement is a offense committed when a servant wrongfully appropriates the master's property for his own use.
So what is embezzlement? दूसरी चीज दूसरों की चीज
Abdul.
अपने मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन, वी आर टेकिंग द अदर्स थिंग टू अस, ठीक है, विदाउट एनी ओनर्स परमिशन. एम्बेजलमेंट ऑफेंस committed by, committed when a servant wrongfully appropriates माने ले लेना, अपने पास ले लेना, the master's property for his own use is called as embezzlement. It's an offense, it is a crime. Understood this point? Embezzlement. Next.
Yes, sir.
Emblem.
Emblem. Emblem का मतलब क्या है?
If a flag, armorial, bearing, or other symbol of a country.
Emblem is nothing but a flag, an armorial bearing or symbol of a country. What is our national emblem?
Tiranga.
India's national emblem
Ashoka,
is
sir.
अशोका चक्र सर.
nine.
Capital of Ashoka.
No. नेशनल एम्blem कौन सा है? अशोका चक्र क्या है? फ्लैग में रहता है अशोका चक्र. अपना कौन सा है नेशनल एम्blem?
Uh,
4 lions mounted
4 lenses. Capital
back
of Ashoka.
to back. 4 lions mounted back to back on a circular abacus, on a base. Circular abacus. Resting on a bell-shaped lotus. Bell-shaped lotus. ठीक है. So what is our national emblem?
4 lions.
4 lions. And what are the animals present on our emblem?
Lion.
Elephant, comma, a galloping
Rhinoceros.
horse, comma, और क्या है? A bull and a lion. 4. पहले तो ऊपर तो क्या है? You have this 4. और कौन सा चक्र है?
Ashoka chakra.
अशोका चक्र तो फ्लैग में रहता. कौन सा चक्र है अपने पास?
Dharma Chakra, sir.
It also consists of धर्मा चक्र.
Dharma Chakra.
It also consists of धर्मा चक्र.
Dharma Chakra.
समझ में आ रहा? So क्या है? What is our
Yes.
national emblem?
4 lions.
4 lions.
Yes, sir. Mountain back to back.
4 lions on an abacus with a Dharma Chakra in the center.
At the center, at the down.
In the
Dharma
center.
chakra.
At the down.
At the down. Yes. At
उसके
the
बाद
down.
और वो चक्र, धर्मा चक्र के अतराफ 4 एनिमल्स है. कौन से?
Lions.
लिखे ना इधर अभी.
3 lions.
इधर क्या लिखे?
अच्छा lion है,
Elephants.
capital है, horse, elephant.
एलिफेंट, गैलपिंग हॉर्स माने उन्हें पैरा उचका के भागने की तैयारी कर रहा हूं. गैलपिंग हॉर्स, ए बुल एंड ए लायन. Clear point. So this is our national emblem. Now what is the 9th one?
Emergency. Constitution of India envisages three types of emergency, that is arising from threat to security of India, failure of constitutional machinery in a state, and financial emergency.
Now, in this question, please remember, emergency, कितने टाइप्स ऑफ इमरजेंसी है अपने पास? कितने इमरजेंसी है?
3 types, sir.
Four,
3
sorry,
types of emergency.
is a three.
पेपर पे क्या लिखे हुआ है वो देखो. That is, first one
There are
is,
three. Yeah, first one
first one
is
क्या है? नेशनल इमरजेंसी. सेकंड वन क्या है? स्टेट
failure of
इमरजेंसी.
constitutional machinery.
पहला क्या है? नेशनल इमरजेंसी. सेकंड इज
State.
अंडर आर्टिकल 352. अंडर आर्टिकल 352. अंडर आर्टिकल 356. And third one is
Third one is financial emergencies.
financial emergency under article 360. Please remember this. कितने इमरजेंसी अपने पास?
Mainly
sir.
there are three.
तो कौन से आर्टिकल में?
Under Article 352 and 356.
ठीक है. So these are the three types of emergencies. ठीक है. So now this session will end here. Please log in within 5 minutes. Okay, we'll continue with the letter E. Please log in within 5 minutes. I will continue this emergency. I have 2 to 3 more points. Okay, log in with the same link. I'm ending this session now.
Sure, sir.